Welcome to the physics of invisibility. This is radar cross-section. The F-22 Raptor is a 19-meter-long beast. But on a radar screen, it appears no larger than a bumblebee. How do we hide a fighter jet in plain sight? To understand stealth, we must understand the trap. A radar transmits a burst of electromagnetic energy. It travels out, hits an object, and echoes back. If the echo returns, you are detected. Radio waves behave like light. As they travel, they spread out, obeying the inverse square law. By the time they hit the target, the energy density is weak. We need to prevent even this weak signal from returning. Conventional shapes, like spheres or cylinders, are nightmares for stealth. When a wave hits a curved surface, it scatters ominously in every direction, including straight back to the radar. This is the kill zone. When a surface is perpendicular to the incoming wave, it acts like a mirror, sending a massive reflection directly back to the source. This is a maximum detection risk. So, we change the rules. We abandon curves in favor of flat facets. Instead of scattering energy everywhere, we force it to behave predictably. It's simple optics. The angle of incidence equals the angle of reflection. If we can control the angle of the surface, we can control the path of the echo. By angling the surfaces, we deflect the incoming radar energy away from the receiver. The radar screams into the void, and hears nothing but silence. But what about the edges? Stealth aircraft use planform alignment. By making all leading and trailing edges parallel, we confine the radar spikes to very specific, narrow angles. Look at the data. A standard plane reflects continuously. A stealth plane is silent for 99% of angles, only flashing brief spikes that are easy to manage and avoid. Geometry is only half the battle. If the shape can't deflect the wave, the material must kill it. Enter RAM, radar absorbent material. This coating is a trap. It's filled with conductive particles, like iron balls. The wave penetrates the surface but finds itself bouncing internally, unable to escape. Inside the material, the electromagnetic field pushes electrons back and forth. This friction converts the radar's dangerous energy into harmless kinetic heat. The signal simply dissolves. Even the engines and panels are treated. We use serrated, sawtooth edges to trap creeping waves, forcing them to scatter into voids rather than diffracting back to the enemy. This is the radar cross-section equation. It balances the physical area against reflectivity and directivity. Our goal is to drive this value as close to zero as physics allows. On a decibel scale, a truck is a massive +20. A stealth fighter is a -30. That is the difference between shouting and whispering. Perfect geometry deflects the wave. Advanced materials absorb the rest. The result is an aircraft that dominates the sky by becoming a ghost. Deflect the signal, absorb the energy, and align the edges. That is the trinity of modern stealth technology. Thanks for watching the physics of the unseen. If you enjoyed this deep dive, hit subscribe for more engineering breakdown. See you in the next one.